Hello, good morning, students. Let us try to understand one very small topic that is known as hydrogen economy, student. Okay, so nowadays, student, hydrogen economy is very important. Why important? Because hydrogen is being used as a that is a fuel, student, for even the car fuel or the any type of which can to generate the electricity. Okay, so that is hydrogen is very much important, and use of hydrogen for the transportation, okay, and energy, this is all known as hydrogen economy. So let us read out the slide, student, for better understanding. So they are saying hydrogen economy is alternative, hydrogen economy and alternative. The basic principle of hydrogen economy is the transportation and storage of energy. That is, you are transporting and storing the energy in the form of liquid or gaseous dihydrogen. Okay. So dear student, you know very well that is if you are having that is H2. Okay. And in the and energy is stored in the form of 2H. So what is happening is very reactive. Very reactive. So what is happening is very reactive. It is a half-life period is 0.3 second. So you are storing in this form, and if you are converting in this film, again it will convert in this one and release energy. I know when H2 2H is converting into H2. Okay, better you can write H2. So it is exothermic process, student. Exothermic, right? So if it is exothermic process, more energy release, more energy release, more energy release, and this energy release is what this is used as a what is student storage energy. This can be used here. You can read out another slides. Advantage of hydrogen economy is that energy is transmitted in the form of dihydrogen and not as electric power. So that is how we are transmitting in the form of dihydrogen. For the first time in the history of India, the pilot project using dihydrogen as a fuel for launched in October 2005 for the running automobile. So that is, you see, student, how that is hydrogen is being used in the car also as a fuel, right? Now, next point, what they are saying, important point. Let us try to understand, student. That is initially 5% of dihydrogen been mixed in CNG for the use in four wheeler. So whatever the four wheeler vehicle we are using in initially, 5% dihydrogen is has been used, mixed with CNG for use in the four wheeler. Nowadays it is the percentage has increased, student, but earlier that is it was the 5%. The percentage of dihydrogen would be gradually increased to reach the optimum level. So they are saying as a fuel we are using the higher percentage of dihydrogen. Hydrogen is also used in a fuel cell for generation of electricity. So fuel cell is there, student, fuel cell which convert direct gas to electricity, electricity. So that is H2 is being used here. H2 along with the methane and other gases that is used to direct convert the chemical energy to electrical energy. Thank you so much for watching, dear students.